Hello, it's Helen here. Let's bake the mochi rice cake together. It's the easiest dessert with 5 minutes of preparation. A perfect dessert to satisfy your sweet tooth without going overboard. You will get a crispy and golden out layer. The inside is smooth, stringy, and chewy. Surprise your friends and family with this yummy dessert. Here are all ingredients that you need, most of them that you can easily find at your home. Preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Crack an egg. Stir aggressively with your whisk. Add in milk, oil, and sugar. Remember to stir constantly while adding. It helps with combine all ingredients. You should buy the rice flour with green package. You can easily find them in any Asian stores. Sieve in rice flour with your spatula to avoid any lumps. It's optional to add in half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well with the whisk. You can rotate your bowl while mixing. It takes around 1 minute. The batter is consist with no clumps. Put the parchment paper in an 8-inch baking pan. Pour the batter. Use the spatula to scrape down the remaining. Shake the baking pan twice to even out the batter and burst any big bubbles. Add in the almonds for crunchy and nutty flavors. Add in the cranberries for sweet and sour taste. Bake for 35 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. You should adjust your timing based on the temperature of your oven. Here is the mochi rice cake. Take out the rice cake. You can see the crispy and golden out layer. It tastes similar to the choux pastry. Cut it into 8 slices with your knife. The crispy out layer, light creamy flavor, and sweet sour taste from cranberry will make you so satisfied. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more food recipes.